Got another flashlight to look at today from Wuben. This is the all-new X5, part of their Easy Carry Light series. This is a white light, a UV light, and also a green laser. Let's open it up and take a closer look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Just a quick unboxing and review of this flashlight from Wuben. This is the brand new X5. So let's open it up, take a closer look and see what comes included, and then we'll run through the user interface, do a quick little demo here in the garage, and then when it gets dark, we'll head down to the park and see what this looks like at night. Now it gives you a nice little breakdown on the output of the different brightness levels, including the UV and the laser. But let's open it up, see what comes in here. Now we do have a warning label on the light. It's talking about the laser, not pointing that at any aircraft or anything like that, or in your eyes. And same with the UV light. You don't want to point that on your skin or in your eyes for very long. Also a little warning here on the end that says hot, so keep that in mind. It does have some nice little ridges here for cooling. A nice strong clip. You can take this off, and it looks like we've got threaded holes on the other side. Now to open the battery port here, it looks like we've got a little lock, so all we need to do is push that to the unlock and then press it down. There we go, and that battery just pops right out. Now the battery has a little ridge right here on the front that prevents you from installing it backwards. You see, it'll only go in like this. If we turn that around, it does not go in because this is polarity specific. You see we've got positive and negative on this side. And this battery is 1200 milliamp hour, 4.44 watt hours. It's a lithium ion battery. Of course, this battery pack is rechargeable and you can charge it just by leaving it inside the flashlight and plug in that USB-C port. But one of the cool things about this light is this also is compatible with AAA batteries. Let me grab some and we'll demonstrate that real quick. All right, so we can also use 4 AAA batteries. It does show printed on the side here how they need to go, so just make sure that you're putting positive in first on the ones that are on the bottom here, and then these ones we're going to flip around, put the negative end in first, and let's see if that works. Now before I turn the light on, I want to show you what else comes included in the box here. So let's pull this little cover off, and here's the accessories. So it comes with a little user's manual here, and it's showing us that the little lanyard is also a Type-C cable. That's pretty neat. I've seen that on some of their other lights. So all you have to do is press in on the sides here, and look at that. There's your USB-C charge cable. Pop it right back in there. So pretty cool that you can always have a charge cable with you if you do decide to use the lanyard. I may not use the lanyard on this one, but let me show you how that would work. And again, if you want to flip this clip around to the other side, you can do so. It's already got the threaded holes right here, and they include this little Allen wrench, which is pretty neat. Now I've got the 4 AAA batteries in there, but let's go ahead and run through the user interface. So here you do have a little dial selector, so we can change that to the white light, or if you go this way, that's the UV light, and that's for the main button here, the top one that sticks out a little bit farther. This other button right here is for the green laser. So let's go over here first to the white light. I'll just put the lanyard on since I'm going to demonstrate using this. The way this button works, it's kind of a 2-step button. So if you just press it lightly, it jumps to the last used level. In this case, looks like it's the highest level or turbo. And if you press it down or click it, it stays on. Now, once it's on, you can lightly press and it will go through all of the different brightness levels. So here's eco mode. There's low, medium, high, and there's turbo. Now in order to jump to strobe, you just have to double press that button with the light on. A little bit of a warning if you have sensitivity to flashing light. There's the strobe. It's kind of an alternating strobe pattern. And then double click it again and it turns it back on. If you want to turn it off, just press down to click it completely. Now we also have a UV light. Let's go over there. I'm just going to turn the dial to UV. Now you can do momentary on with that same button, or you can press it down and the light stays on. UV lights are great for verifying currency or even looking for scorpions. Okay, I turned off the lights so we can see the UV function a little bit better. Now I'm just gonna press that same button on the back. Now US currency all has a little strip in there. It's a little fluorescent strip that you can see when you light it up with an ultraviolet light. And if you look closely, it also does say the actual number of the currency, in this case USA 50. And here's the $20 bill. Now that strip is also not in the same place on every bill. It's over here on the left side on a $20 bill. A UV light is also great for detecting stains and or scorpion hunting. I grabbed a couple plastic fake scorpions here and some bugs. These are glow-in-the-dark plastic toys. You know, it's a fun little game for kids. You can throw some of these out in the lawn and give them the UV light and let them go look for them. You can also charge anything that's glow-in-the-dark, like a Frisbee or something like that. It will continue to glow after the UV light is off. And we also have a laser. It's the other button down here. Lights up anything that you want to show from a long distance. Just remember not to point that laser at any aircraft or anything like that. Now, when you are in lockout mode, none of these buttons work. You don't even have the ability to turn on the laser or any of the other lights, so it locks out that function completely. Now, another thing I want to show you is this also has a little indicator on this side. Now you see that little blue indicator? That says that we are over 90% or 90% or greater. And of course, those batteries that I put in here were brand new. Between 90 and 40%, you're gonna get a half blue indicator. And if it's red, that means you're less than 40, but more than 15%. And if it's a half red circle, it's 15% or less. Now, I don't know that there's gonna be a huge difference of the output of this light with those AAAs or with the included rechargeable battery, but I am gonna use the included rechargeable battery. So let's open up this battery case again. Now, all of the functions work the same whether you're using that rechargeable battery or those 4 AAA batteries. Now you can see right there, we still have more than 90% charge. That's as shipped. I'm still gonna top this off via the USB-C port. And then when it gets dark, we'll head down to the park and see what this looks like at night. All right, I've got the Wuben X5 fully charged up and we're down here at the park. Now it's nice and dark outside, but I am using an iPhone that does pick up the light a lot better than the GoPro. You can see if I pull my hands away, you can see it does pick up a lot of light. Now I also do have a small light on my camera or on the tripod just so that you can see what's going on here up close, but you can see it doesn't really cast very much light out there in the distance on the grass or anything like that. So let's go ahead and unlock the light first. I'm going to turn that dial and now it's in white light. So let's go ahead and turn that on. Now I'm just going to press it down and that right there is eco mode. Now the eco is really going to only work for seeing something up close. There's low. There's medium. There's high. And that's turbo, or the highest level on this light. And you can see the light does get out a lot farther now. Now let's take a look at the UV light. And that again is going to be the same button to turn that on. Now again, that UV light would be great for hunting for scorpions or something like that in the grass, or of course verifying currency, but that's what it looks like at night. Mostly visible up close. Now let's take a look at the laser. I'm just going to press the other button here and there's the green laser. You can see it is a very strong beam. You can also use the laser with the light. So if you're wanting to point something out in the distance that doesn't really show up, you can turn the light on. Laser off, light off. Now we also do have a strobe feature on the main light here. I've got it turned back to white light, so we're going to turn that light on and then do a double press. So just a little bit of a warning if you have sensitivity to flashing lights. That's the strobe. And that's pretty much it. Let's head back to the shop and wrap this up. Well, there it is. That was the Wuben X5. As you can see, it's very bright and really nice features there with the laser and the UV light as well. Now, for me, it was a little bit easier to use without the lanyard. I ended up taking it off. But I got to tell you, overall, I am impressed. It's a nice little flat EDC style of light. Whether you work in law enforcement or just camping, hunting, fishing, hiking, it's not bulky. It fits in the pocket easily. It's a really strong clip there as well. And it's really nice to have a UV light, white light, and even the green laser all in one flashlight. And also the fact that you can use those AAA batteries as a backup. Pretty neat because those are available just about anywhere. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up your very own Wuben X5 as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.